Model 2015 Ford Transit 310 L2 diesel front-wheel drive 2.2 TDCi 100ps H3 van body, white, panel van mileage, 127789 MOT, the 8th of September 2023 engine, 2198 cc 2.2 100ps TDCI-A transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Front-end damage radiators will need replacing, engine is 100% fine. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. ABS light on the dash. Condition summary, bodywork is average. Interior is average. Rear load area is average. Features, 1 former keeper, electric windows, aircon EU status, Euro 5 HPI, clear cap retail, 6,095.